Hey everyone, your girl Liz here. So welcome back to my page. Today is Wednesday. It is my Wednesday reset. I've been doing pretty good at it. Here it is, 105, and I have 97.10 for steps, which is really good. And I have a photo shoot. Well, actually two. I'm gonna do greens and blues, spring and probably summer, just because we are in spring now, and then summer's coming up very soon. And I also am gonna post my volleyball videos from last year, since I mentioned about it yesterday. I had my Instagram get hacked, and I made a new one, which I wasn't really having much luck with, so I just went back to my other one, my original one. But in order to download the videos onto like a device and then be able to upload them, I always use Google Drive. That's how I do like my trail cam photos and everything. Like I upload it to my Google Drive, and then it's on my Google Drive and I can just download it to my computer or whatever. And I realized that it's been taking up a lot of space. I'm at 13 out of 15 for some unknown reason. Gigabytes used. I don't really have the money to go forward with paying for that, so I'm gonna use those, and then I can get those off my Google Drive and have more space for longer videos. And then I'll end this with saying, depending on how these eggs, well, I guess depending on how the babies look today, then I will do either maybe Friday or Sunday before I go into work for the last kind of check. So we know that the robin, it's not Tornado Alley like the Ohio Valley's been getting a lot of this year. It's a bear alley. We'll call it Bear Alley for the robins. And then obviously the why do I keep saying cowbird? The wood thrush has obviously already been taken care of, so we really only have the house sparrow here and the cardinal left. Oh, she's not on the nest. No way. Holy cow, guys. Maybe this will actually be my last video. They're all gone. And it didn't look like any foul play either. So that was definitely something. There wasn't any foul play. So, but it was nice today getting done with my picnic just in time. And I did start to see a whole bunch of gray clouds off to the south. And then I felt like I was back in like April and everything, looking at the national cloud coverage map all the time. So, but that's how I felt. So, and I guess that's how you would want to relive. You'd want to relive like, positive, fun, really exciting memories like that. So here we go. These will be the cardinals. Oh, there she went. So we know that she still has them for sure. There she is. They must be pretty big, guys. There she is. There she is. I see her. Yeah, guys, they must be getting pretty big. Oh my gosh. Guys, look. There we go, guys. I tried to, oh geez, okay. Hey, I promise it's okay. I tried to, hit the screen like there, but I guess, oh, there, okay, I guess it can manually focus. I'm tapping the screen right now to try to focus more on certain areas. So you can kind of see I just did the leaves. But anyhow, I don't want to be too long just because she is kind of freaking out. But I did try to move that up and then focus it, because I noticed last time it didn't really do it that well. I also might flip it back around like I saw it was, and then kind of call it quits. But anyhow, I hope you guys enjoy. And then tomorrow, I will obviously post this tomorrow. And I should include them going to my curve game tomorrow. And I'm going to run 3 miles beforehand. So I'm going to post that. And I'm actually obviously then going to post this video tomorrow. So this won't be a today video now that I mentioned that. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.